Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online class today. So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So as you know already, today is the first day of our new month, right? Okay, so today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. So as you know already, every Tuesday for first session, we are going to study our book is listening starter 2, right? So teacher want you to put our book right now on your table and don't forget your notebook and your pen. So now let's move to the next one. Okay, so today teacher want you to continue our lesson again that we talk about unit 12 volunteer work on page 49, right? Okay, so now let's start. So the first one, you need to listen and write. And the second one, you need to listen, write the letter that matches the picture, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so here is our practice listening that we will do in our book right now. So the first one, you need to listen and write. So teacher will provide you the listening track 220. So when right now, and you need to listen carefully about our conversation for today. And after that, you need to complete into this one that we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now let's start with teacher.
C. Listen and write. 1.
What's that bad smell?
It's the trash on the beach.
2.
Is it dangerous to pick up trash?
No, you just have to be careful not to cut your hands.
3.
What do you do to help others?
I volunteer to pick up their old newspapers.
Okay, so teacher know it already that you finished, right? So now let's check the answer with teacher. A. What's that bad smell, right? Okay, B. Is the trash on the beach, right? Okay, number 2. Is it dangerous to pick up trash? No. You just have to be careful not to cut your hands, right? Okay, number 3. What do you do to help others? I volunteer to pick up their old newspaper. Okay, so now let me read again. What's that bad smell? Is the trash on the beach? Is it dangerous to pick up the trash? No, you just have to be careful not to cut your hands. What do you do to help others? I volunteer to pick up their old newspaper. Okay, so teacher know that you can read this one also. So now let's move to the next exercise. Okay, the next exercise, this one you need to listen, write the letter that matches the picture. So teacher will provide you the listening track 228. And you need to listen carefully what is the letter that you need to complete into this picture. So now let's start.
D. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
It is dangerous to drink the dirty water.
B.
The sand on this beach is very clean.
C.
The trash has a bad smell.
D.
Put the old newspapers in the box, please.
Okay, so now let's check the answer with teacher all together. Okay, so number 1, what is the letter that we need to complete in here? Great, it's letter D, right? How about picture number 2? It look like dirty place, right? Okay, so this one is letter A. How about picture number 3? It look like beach, right? Clean beach. So this one is letter B. And the last picture is letter C. Very good. So here is our answer for this exercise. Okay, so now let's move to another one. Is practice listening. So you need to listen to the dialogue and write the correct answer for each question. So teacher have the listening track again, that track 5. You need to listen about the audio track that talking about Lisa. What is Lisa doing? And after that, you need to answer this question. That we have two questions. One is, what happened to Lisa? And the second one is, what is the boy going to do later? So need to listen our audio track and you need to write the answer.
Did you hear about Lisa?
No? What happened?
She had an accident in PE. She fell and cut her leg.
Oh no! Did she have to go to the hospital?
No, she went to the school nurse. Then her mom came and took her home.
I hope she'll be okay.
Me too. I'm going to visit her later.
But when you finish, please take a photo and send it to teacher by personal telegram. So right now it's time for our break. Okay, so see you again for second session. Goodbye everyone.